What is up, my people? Welcome back to another video. As you can see on the screen, the profits today were very nice. $470 on 7 accounts. That is a grand total of $3,290. That is not play money. That is the type of money you make on a monthly income at a full-time job. So if you want to learn how to make money like this, stick around, watch this video through to the very end. I am going to be giving you little bits and pieces of my mindset so that you can improve in the level of trading that you currently exhibit. And hopefully this will improve the entire trading community as well. We're doing this and giving this all out for free. So why not jump in? Benefit yourself, your family, and generations to come. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share this with somebody that you feel might benefit from this information. Join our community. We're an ever-growing community, and we're going to be doing big things in the future, and you don't want to miss it. So without further ado, enjoy this live trading seminar. Hey, everybody. Hope everyone is doing well. We are here in the market, PM session, close to the last macro of the day. So we're just gonna see if the market presents any opportunities. We're just here watching, waiting. The market has been in such a buy program, so we're just gonna watch and observe just a little bit, and if we take a trade, then great. We want it to be a winning trade, but if we don't take a trade, then that's also great too. No big deal. We will just continue to watch and observe how the market is moving. We are we are at all-time highs. We just created a new high right here at 880, at this 880 zone, and we see price has created that high. So it does make sense to just kind of watch right now and just sit tight. So we'll see what happens. We're not really looking for much, especially because of how bullish and volatile the market has been so far. But if the market gives us any telling signs, then we will try and jump into it. So we're just looking at the 1 minute right here, and we drew out a little bit of a range that we see formed. We have some, our highs right here. We have the lows over here. Price was not able to swing all the way down. This was a failure swing, and looks like we are going to go aiming for some highs again. Just to continue the mark offs, we'll go ahead and mark off this fair value gap right over here. We've got the range sitting on a fair value gap, so could be a little interesting. We'll give it a look-see here. So we do see indeed that was a failure swing. Price continued to move up to the top of this range. We will see what happens when it gets up to this area. It probably might take out the highs, but maybe it might not be this moment. I think it may be, though. There was just a lot of buying pressure around these lows here. So we'll see. We might have just missed that move, but we'll continue to watch. Okay, we can see that price took that high. I'm going to give a short a little bit of a stab here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm going to see where we can take this to. I'm going to go ahead and leave my stop right at that previous high. And I'll put my target somewhere around here. But I would love to get into a bigger size on this move. If we get a little bit more push to the top, I think I will enter. Yeah, this is kind of slow going right now. Hoping for a little bit more volatility. Still watching, still waiting. Liking this movement. Want to see a little bit more displacement. Let's watch to see what happens once we pass this fair value gap. Okay, looks like we're getting some movement here. Oh yeah, we like that. Definitely want to give it some space here. Those are getting purged. May just trace this one. Oh, all right. That's what we were given. We'll take that. Nice little trade there. Our only trade for the day, and yeah, we got a nice little move, and we're copy trading, of course. So that move was on what was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts. Great move there. We like that. Let's watch a little bit, see what price is doing. So Yeah, I did like my decision to close that position right then and there. If price does retrace back up here, though, I will be interested for another short. So we'll just continue watching to see what happens. So marked off this fair value gap that was created on this 874 to 873. Very small fair value gap, but we are watching to see what price does at this range. I'm seeing some rejection here. A little too early though. I don't want to jump the gun. We're watching here. We're seeing some rejection. This might have been a good entry. Let's see. Don't see a lot of other fair value gaps here.
Order
I'm
submitted.
gonna leave a order right here. Oh, we are moving and grooving. Yeah, price wants to just drop here. If we miss the move, we miss it. We already got some of it. It would be really nice to get back into this, but we are not gonna chase. Price just fell down there. We're back into this fair value gap. I think I'm gonna give it a shot here. We kind of look like we are
Order
just dropping.
submitted.
I might be in for a little bit of a ride here with this one, getting in on this low right here. I really don't like that entry. Price can definitely come back up here, can definitely take me out. Not in love with this entry. Only hope is that we move a little bit faster to the downside. We get some speed and displacement to the downside, but I'm really not liking this entry. We can definitely be right about the direction, the overall direction, but just wrong in the time of entry. Price may still want to come up here. I'm just gonna get out of this right here. Oh, okay, all right, we're getting a little bit of movement here. I really don't like this entry
Order
though.
failed.
Let's watch to see. Price has been rejecting this fair value gap. I do feel like a retracement is in order though, so that's why I didn't really feel great about that entry. Yep, that's happening right there. Yep, we can see that playing out right there. So I definitely would have been stopped. I'm glad I took out where I did. Even if it was a small profit, it was a profit nonetheless. So definitely happy about that decision. Let's watch to see what extent price retraces. Again, this is a very bullish market overall, so we could easily be just purging these lows just to send higher and create new all-time highs. This is interesting. Price is coming back up to this fair value gap. We want to see the reaction here. I'm thinking of getting into a sell really
Order
quickly.
submitted.
Oh, I might just be too late for that retracement. I might
Submitted.
just be too late there. Might get a little bit of a slapping here, but hopefully it could still play out. I have a feeling price wants to just go higher and overall just retrace or make new all-time highs. We've just been in such a bullish market. It's hard to be bearish, to have any type of bearish bias here. Yeah, this was a pretty lackadaisical entry for me right here. So we'll probably get stopped. That's okay.
Order filled.
Yeah, we'll take that for exit. Of course, we're getting some speed and displacement here right now. Lots of chop, and the market is still trying to make up its mind right here. We have these lows, got a lot of low resistance liquidity over here. And this also matches up as we look to the left to a previous 1 minute fair value gap. So now as I look at it with more context, maybe that entry wasn't too bad. Might have just been getting something right off of these. I guess I don't really use that like that, but the supply and demand, you know, you have that supply, then, or that demand right here, then supply sells off, some more demand, and you know it's an algorithm, but hey, you can see just a little bit there what mainstream traders are thinking right now. So just watching this can be a little tricky. I see
Order submitted.
this high taken. I want price to come up back here. I might not get that.
Order
Let's
filled.
see what we can do with this entry. I'll probably make this my last entry. Oh yeah, this particular zone I want to see some push straight down. Not getting a whole lot of that right here. We're getting some
Order
support.
filled.
So yeah, I think I'll take that off for now. If we do have a deeper retracement, we'll enter. Oh well, there you have it. A nice little push down. There's that retracement. Getting a decent amount of support right here off of this 1 minute fair value gap. You see some highs taken. All right, prices just sending. Yeah, this is why it is hard to be bearish in this in this bullish cycle of a market that we have here. Would have been a good or an interesting entry, right? If we decided to go for longs at the bottom of this range. Look at that. Coming back into this gap right here. Tapped into that. Price looks like it's really just...
Order submitted.
Alright, we'll give it a shot. Oh, it's not catching my order. Aha, man. It did not catch my order right there. Looks like we were just filling up some imbalances. We have a smaller range in this small range time frame. See lows to high to a failure swing low to a failure swing high.
Order
Lots of chop right now. Yeah, lots of chop. I'm interested though in seeing what happens right up in this fair value gap, this tiny one. Okay, we got in for an entry right here. Open to definitely being wrong here, but you know, price could be coming up into this to have a little bit of a consolidation, manipulating higher to distribute lower, and we can definitely be wrong here, at least in the short term. You can see these highs probably come up into this area, but we will watch to see what happens here. I want to be patient. Price is definitely taking its time, kind of getting a feeling here, but yeah, we'll see what price wants to do. Nice little push down there. Don't want it to continue fighting in this area. We really want to see a decisive move either one way or the other. Lots of dilly-dallying right here in this range.
Order submitted.
I'm like adding to this.
Order submitted.
Just need a nice push downward. Looking for a target around the 860s. Alright, that's the movement we were looking for. Can we get past this zone right here? That is the question. Okay. Ooh, look like a really big rejection right there. Ooh. This price action is giving me a run for my money. Lots of rejection downwards here. There we go. There we go. Come on. Let's get past here. Past this gap here. Alright. We'll take that. Market is just dilly-dallying, taking a long time to move here. And of course, it's starting to push. It's probably going to go down to that zone. Yep, it's going there now. It's moving and grooving. 860 is probably where it will go to. We got a little bit of profits off of that move. We can't be upset. You know, price is just, this is super choppy. We came to the market and, you know, we weren't even on it all day. Had a bunch of stuff to do this morning, and I just opened up my trading platform and just saw the setup, and within 20 minutes, you know, we were up a lot on the day. So lots of choppy price action. If we look over here, you know, we possibly could have been taken out on that move. So we'll be happy with what we got. We're in profit, nice size profits on the day. 470 all across the board on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts. On 7 accounts, so hey, we can't complain. We'll take that. We'll take that for sure. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just looking at this, definitely would have been stopped out. Glad I took my stops where I did. And yeah, it's all about you know, patience trading. You know, having a good foundation of the knowledge and skill sets that you have as a trader. You don't need to know everything, but you do need to know certain things, and it's good to hone in on the things that you do know so that you could grow as a trader. Definitely happy that we got out of that move. Great trading day. Spent maybe 30 minutes on the charts anyways today, so we're up, and we'll do the math, probably see it later in the title. But if you want to join this community of ever-growing traders, feel free to like and subscribe. We will be coming out with more stuff in the near future, so stay tuned. More videos like this and more opportunities for you to be a part of this community. So hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.